Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Eayon 1B613 hair. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with a wig cap, it comes with an elastic strap, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair. And this is what the hair looks like, guys. It's a 1B613 which has 3 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap as well in case you don't want to use any gel or glue. And I showed you guys how I installed the hair. I applied the got to be glued gel on my cap and I blow dried it, and I cut off the excess cap of my hair just to do the bowl cap method. And also one thing I did off camera which I didn't show you guys was I put the hair in purple shampoo, which means I used a pea size of purple shampoo in a big bowl of water and I mixed it up well, then insert the hair and left it there for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then I washed the hair and blow dried it, and voila, that's what the hair looks like. So I applied the got to be glued, is it no, ghost bond glue, yeah, I applied that on my head and I blow dried it, and I layered the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the glue. And I actually I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I pressed the hair down and blow dried it again just to make sure that the hair when is I'm happy that the hair is laying flat and well secured, I cut off the excess lace of the wig and I you know try to apply my mousse on the hair, but unfortunately the glue was lifting for some reason. I don't know why the glue was not taking the mousse well at all. So all I did, I just applied my scarf on the hair just to tie it down, and yeah, that's all I did. I just took off the scarf when I'm about 5 minutes later, and voila, that's the result of the hair. That's the first style that I would go for if I'm wearing this hair. As you can tell, the areas where the mousse was lifting the glue was showing white. I could have applied my powder, but I'm not quite sure if it was that obvious, so I didn't really do that. But you can use your baby hair to cover that area if you like, but I wasn't just in the mood for going for baby hair, so I moved on by showing you guys the next style that I would go for. I combed the hair, or I brushed the hair down, and I went for my side part as always. You can part the hair anyhow or anywhere you like. It's a 13x4 lace closure, lace wig, so you can part it anywhere you like within the 13x4 closure. So I tried to use the mousse again, but only on the areas where there is no glue, which means the areas where I'm going to pat the hair to make sure it's laid well. So I applied my contour shade on my part just to make sure that the part looks obvious or nice you can call it. So that's all I did. After that, and I brushed the hair, then voila, again, that's another start for you. Very easy, easy. I really like the hair, guys. I really like the hair, and I like the result. Woo! Look at that. I'm quite a huge fan of the end result. I really like the hair. It's laying really well flat, but bear in mind that the hair actually has baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, then yeah, there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, so you can use the baby hair to cover the lace area if you like. Look at that, the hair is actually 22 inches, so it's true to length in my opinion. And you know me, guys, I would always curl my hair, no matter what the hair is. Even if it's already been curled straight from the box, I still would go ahead and curl my hair. A sucker for curly hair, so I can't do without it. So I curl the hair with a wand, and I apply the Tresemme heat protection spray on it. Guys, you need that every time you curl your hair. You need to apply heat protection spray just to protect the hair, which was what I did first. Then I curled the hair, round the wand, and yeah, that's all I did really. So if you need a, well detailed detailed video of how I curled my hair with wand, feel free to check out my previous video with Eayon, or I would link it down below if I remember when I'm posting it on YouTube. I'll leave the detailed video of how I curl my hair with wand, so you can have an idea of how to do that yourself. So yeah, so when I'm done with curling the hair, I applied tiny bit of the Tresemme styling oil on my hand, and I just use it to brush out the curls, yeah, because just to give it a bit of sheen. So that's that. Then yeah, feel free to style the hair however you like. I really like the hair, guys. I love how silky soft the hair is. You can tell from the camera. Look at that. It's so silky, very soft, and very full. I love the hairline as well. It's pre-plucked to perfection, guys. Pre-plucked to perfection. So that's the finished look, guys. I didn't really do much. I just used my hand to brush out the curls, and voila. Another style again, guys. I really love this hair. You can style it anyhow you like. So when I thought, yeah, I want to manipulate this hair, let's see how this works. And yeah, I used the brush to manipulate it, and another curls again. You see, very easy. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this 1B613 hair right here. The hair is actually from Eayon hair, and it's in the length 22 inches. It's a 13x4 lace closure, and I showed you guys how I would style this hair, just to give you guys an idea of how you would style it if you like. But depending on the look you're going for, you can style the hair anyhow you like. You can decide to go for a ponytail, or you can decide to go for half up, half down, coil it, straighten it, tongue it, do whatever you like with the hair anyway. So I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. First thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair has already been pre-plucked straight from the box. So if you're the type that doesn't know how to pluck your hair, then that's also a positive thing you should think of in case you're getting this hair. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the density of the hair is really full. It's like really huge, guys. Look at that. It's 200 density, so you can already tell that it's very full. They have different types of density on their website, so you can decide to go for 130 if you don't want it as full as this. You can decide to go from 150, 180 up to 200, so depending on how full you want your hair to be. And also another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the color combination, like the way the 1B melts into the 613 was absolutely amazing. Like guys, the black was not too much overpowering on the hair, which I really like. I really like the roots. I like how it blends in really well on the hair. Well, maybe that's because I like my root to be really short, like this short, which is exactly where it was. And another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really good. As you can tell, there has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. There might be one or two pieces here and there, but nothing crazy, nothing serious, and nothing to worry about at all. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair took to curls really well. I love how well it took to curl, so I was able to manipulate the hair however I want it, which I really quite like about the hair. I actually had the hair in a very big form before, then I used my brush to brush everything in and make it look, as simple as possible. So the hair is really nice, so you can manipulate it anyhow you like. I really like that about the hair as well. And also the hair is in the length 22 inches. It's also true to length. I showed you guys how long the hair is. If I pull the hair down like so, it gets almost to my belly button, which means in my opinion the hair is also true to length. If you're the type that don't want to tone your hair, or you're scared to tone your hair and you'd like to go for this color, I recommend you just dip the hair into purple shampoo, put enough water in a bowl and add a tiny pea size of purple shampoo in the water and make a foam out of it. Then put the hair there, let it sit for about a minute or two, and wash it out, and voila, you get this beautiful color, which I am loving right now. And if you're the type that like that pow platinum blonde, then go ahead and leave the hair the way it was. You can actually wear it in its natural state depending on the look you're going for. But I already have a hair that has that color, platinum blonde, so I thought there's no need for me to you know, have the same hair of the same color. So I decided to put this in a purple shampoo. So if you don't want to go for purple shampoo, feel free not to. You can wear the hair the way it is straight from the box. So that's another thing that I really like about the hair. Another thing I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair also comes with a transparent lace, so that makes it easier for you to install the hair. That's another important thing that I like about the hair that I'm actually loving right now. I really like this hair brand because this is my second time working with them. The first hair that I worked with them with was the black hair that I showed you guys the other day with the curls. Guys, I am loving the hair, and I'm quite happy that the quality of this one is also amazing, guys. Amazing. I really recommend that you check them out. So their shipping was really quick. It took about 4 days to get here in the UK, so depending on where you're based or where you are or where you live, then you know, it might get to you earlier than that. So depending on where you live and where you're based. So I really quite like that about them as well. Their shipping is really good, their quality of their hair is amazing, and I'm just, you know, loving the hair so far. I am loving it, guys. Look at that. I am loving it so far. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.